This is a triangle coaster. Do you want to learn how to make this cute little triangle coaster? If you do, I can teach you how to make it. Let's get started on the tutorial. Let's make a coaster. So we're going to make a triangle coaster today. I am going to start with a magic circle. Do my magic circles like so. Pull this through, just turn it and pull this through like so. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and chain 7. So we're going to go and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then what we're going to do, this counts as a treble and a chain 3. We're going to put a double crochet in the ring. So we're going to go ahead and put a double crochet right into here. And we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go ahead and put a treble in the ring. 1. So we yarn over twice, go through in the same spot here, and then we go through 2, go through 2, and go through 2. Okay, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go ahead and put a double crochet in this ring. Okay. So let me pull this tight because it's a little loose. There we go. So we put a double crochet right into here, just like that. And we're going to go in and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we go ahead and put a treble in here. So we yarn over twice, go through, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we put a double crochet right into here. 1, 2, chain 3, and then we find the top of the chain 7. We count up 4, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we slip stitch it right to here. All right, and that is how we start our little triangle. So you can kind of see how the triangle is. Okay, and then we will continue on. So we go ahead and we chain up right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we go ahead and we put a treble into the same stitch here. Now that chain 6 counts as a double crochet in a chain 3, but we go ahead and put a treble into here in the same stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we put a double crochet right into that same stitch also. Okay, and that is going to give us the point we want right here at the top of the triangle. We chain 2, 1, 2, and we put a double crochet into the top of the double crochet. So right here, we put a double crochet. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and we are going to chain 2, and we're going to put a double crochet, chain 3, treble, chain 3, double crochet into the treble. So right here is the treble. So we go in here and we put a double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, put a treble into the same stitch. So we go here and put a treble into this stitch. Okay, and then we go ahead and we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we put a double crochet right into the same stitch. Okay, and so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then we put a double crochet into the double crochet. So we go here and we put a double crochet right into this double crochet. Okay, and then we chain 2, and then right in here into the treble we go ahead and we do the same thing we did in the other treble. So we start with the double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, put a treble into the same stitch. So go here, oops. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then a double crochet into that same stitch. Okay, and then now we chain 2, 1, 2, and we put a double crochet into the double crochet. So we go here and we just put a double crochet right here, chain 2, and then we find the top of the double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and we slip stitch it right here, just like that. Okay, and that is the end of that round. Okay, see how it's starting to look like a triangle? All right, so we're going to go ahead and chain up 5, and this counts as a double crochet and a chain 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then right here is the treble. And we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to go here and we're going to put a double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we put a treble into the same spot, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then a double crochet right into this spot. Okay, and we chain 2, and then we find the next double crochet and we put a double crochet into it. chain 2, find the next double crochet, put a double crochet into it, chain 2, next double crochet right here. Okay, so that should be a total of 4 double crochets. So go 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side. Now we have a treble, and the treble, what do? We chain 2, and then we put a double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, put a treble into that same space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you put a double crochet into that same space. Okay, so we chain 2, and we find the double crochet, and we put another double crochet on top of that. So we go here, chain 2, double crochet on top of this one, chain 2, and then now we find the top of this one here. So we got, oh, I'm sorry, I was getting ahead of myself. So this is a double crochet, put a double crochet on top of that one. Okay, chain 2, and now we have a treble. And so what do? We put our double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, treble, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double, okay, chain 2, and then we find a double crochet and we put a double crochet into it, chain 2, and we do the same thing. So we go here and we put our double crochet right into this one here, chain 2, and then this is the one I thought we were at. So we're going to find the top of the chain or the double crochet. So it's a chain 5. So we go 1, 2, 3, and right here is going to be the slip stitch. Okay, and so there we go. We are looking good. We're looking good. See how it's starting to be a triangle, and it looks kind of all meshy, and the reason is because I'm using a yarn that has multiple colors. If you wanted, you could do a solid and then do another round of a color, another round of a color. I'm choosing to do all one yarn, and so that's why mine looks like this. So the next round is going to be very similar to this one. It's the same exact thing actually. So we're just going to chain up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then in the double crochet we put a double crochet, chain 2, and then in the treble we put a double crochet, chain 3, treble, chain 3, double crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So I'm running out of time, so I'm going to let you guys finish this round on your own, and then I will meet you when this round is over so we can go on to the next round. So I've made it to the end here, and I'm going to go ahead and chain 2, 1, 2, and then I'm going to find the top of the chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to slip stitch it right here to close that off. All right, and you see how our triangle looks? It's really nice, really pretty. So now what we're going to do is chain up 1, and then in every chain space here, we're going to put 3 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, next one, 1, 2, 3. Next one, 1, 2, 3. And where the treble is, we're going to chain 2. And then you find the next space and put 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so I will meet you at the end. Just remember, in the chain space here, or the treble, chain 2. All right, so here is the coaster. All right, so as always, I hope this tutorial helps you. Please let me know in the comments if you plan to use it. I appreciate you guys, all your love and support, and yeah, so I hope you have an amazing day.